RESA TV presents in 3, 2, 1, Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
All this weekend, Dateline Schools had the privilege of being downtown Detroit at the DTE Energy headquarters and learning about the solar array project that's currently being built on the campus of St. Clair County RESA. And my special guest is DTE spokesman Scott Simons. And Scott, what's all involved in designing and constructing a project like the solar array panel on the RESA campus?
Well, we have about 20 installations either completed or on the drawing board right now or in different phases of construction. And we use a firm out of Novi called Nova Consultants, and they do pretty much all the design and construction work, but it's every installation site has its differences, and so they look at the site itself and see how many panels they can fit and what direction they should be headed, and it's pretty complicated.
Now, is this the only project of its type in St. Clair County that you're aware of?
That I'm aware of, yeah. I think it is the only project that we have in St. Clair County right now.
Now, if a homeowner wanted to do that, say they put these panels up on the roof of their house, now, the technology is pretty much the same. The design is pretty much the same. Obviously, you're a much larger scale.
Yeah, and actually, that's a different aspect of our solar currents program. We have the utility-owned program where we own, operate, and maintain the system, such as the one in St. Clair County. And we also have one for residential and small business customers where we incentivize them to put solar installations on their homes or businesses and at a reduced cost.
What's the overall investment DTE is putting into this particular solar array project?
The one in St. Clair County is about $2.2 million, and that involves a little over 2,000 photovoltaic panels, and that's capable of generating about 70 kilowatts.
Now, is there any other investment from RESA's part other than allowing you to use the property that they have?
That's about it, and I misspoke. It's a little over 500 kilowatts, so that's, but it's capable of serving about 70 homes.
Back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.